welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This morning I woke up craving for pancit. This pancit is made of rice noodles and tons of fresh vegetables. Also, this is my favorite dish in the Philippines. Like at least every week I have to make it at home. It's my favorite, that's all. Let's start cooking! Preparing food is one of life's great joys, but a lot of times that's not cooking, that's working. I admire all the people who spend a lot of time in the kitchen prepping for their loved one's meal. Cutting veggies are not that easy, it can be painful. The good news is that these skills are super easy to learn. All you need is a little practice with a knife. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master prep cook. 1 pound of pork cut into very small pieces. Soak rice noodles in hot tap water for about 20 minutes and then drain in colander. On a medium-high heat temperature, add the pork and a pinch of salt. And wait until it turns brown. Then, add the onion. Next, the sliced garlic. Stir it for 2 minutes. Moving on, add 1 cup of mushrooms. I use the oyster mushrooms. Then, 1 whole julienne sliced carrot. Moving on, add 1 cup of thinly sliced string beans. Then, pour 1 cup of soy sauce. Simmer it for 3 minutes. Then, add 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper. Mix all together. Stir for 3 minutes. Then, add the soaked rice noodles. Also, I added 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Next step, add 1 cup of thinly sliced celery. Followed by 1/2 cup of red bell pepper. And lastly, add 2 cups of sliced wedges, cabbage, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. In addition, add broth as needed to keep mixture from becoming too dry. Simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then mix all together. And it's ready. Just garnish with 1/2 cup of chopped green onions. This stir-fry noodles is a classic Filipino noodle dish that is easy to make with simple ingredients. An easy and authentic pancit recipe for home cooks. Let's dig in! Stir-fry noodles or Pancit Bihon will forever be one of my favorite Filipino foods. So good! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe.